Hello guys, Flash here. Today we're going to discuss about the CATGE coin. So not DOGE but CATGE coin. In today's video I'm going to show you guys the chart, all their social medias, everything this token has to offer and more. Please wait till the end and like, subscribe, to notifications. With that being said, let's get right into the video. Hopping onto their website here. So CATGE coin is an open source BAP20 token while DOGE conquered cryptos. CATGE is conquering the internet. CATGE being a very new crypto with only 900 holders. It is a community-driven token. CATGE has no contract owner. The contract creators renounced ownership and burnt all their personal wallets before launch. CATGE belongs to its community. It is a open source, so the contract address is published, verified on BSC-scan and available on GitHub. CATGE has no secret and holders rewards decreasing with time. For each transaction, a holder gets a percentage reward for another percentage going to the liquidity pool in order to maximize coin stability. CATGE is built to reward trusted holders. Scrolling a bit down on commission and reward for each trade. Until June 15, 7% holders rewards and 5% goes to the liquidity pool. From June 15 to July 15, 4% holders rewards and 3% goes to the liquidity pool. From July 15th to the October 15th, 2% goes to holders and 2% goes to the liquidity pool. And from the October 15th to infinite, 0% goes to holders for every trade and 0% goes to the liquidity pool. So they are doing this because they will not reach any other exchanges with that high of a tax. So firstly, they'll get a tax, so let's say 10%, 11%. It will decrease over time until the coin gets stable, and then it can be put on major exchanges. So taking a look at this beautiful cat bouncing around, we can see the roadmap. So in the second quarter token launch meme contest, they deploy the contract list on Pancake swap. They launch a meme contest to the CATGE conquer the Twitter and Reddit world. In the third quarter NFT launch, the most popular CATGE memes from the meme contest will be featured in the CATGE NFT, and the authors will have full rights over the first sale. And into the last quarter of 2021, major exchanges on listings, they have all that image in their mind. So CATGE reaching all, challenging his alter ego DOGE in all the major cryptocurrency exchanges. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group with over 6,800 members, as well as following them on Twitter, where they post every update and everything that's been going on with the token. And they have a Reddit page where they post memes and other cool stuff. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and join the Telegram and Reddit. Now I'll show you guys on how to buy CATGE on Pancake. So firstly, you need Trust Wallet or MetaMask with BNB. After you have these two, you just go to the website, click on buy on Pancake swap. It will redirect you to the website. Make sure the slippage tolerance is on 12%. Click on swap, confirm the swap. MetaMask will give you a notification and just click on confirm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out CATGE. All the links will be in the description. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.